Check if the person is responsive. Call 1122 for help. Check if the person is responsive. Call 1122 for help. Lay the person. Check if the person is responsive. Call 1122 for help. Lay the person flat on a hard surface. Place your hands in the center of the chest. Push hard and fast, 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Compress at least 5 to 6 centimeters deep. Continue until help arrives or the person responds. Tilt the head back and lift the chin. Look, listen, and feel for breathing. Give 30 chest compressions at the same rate.